Okay, let's learn how we can install IP webcam on our mobile phone, which will be used as an app that will connect our camera of the Android phone to our desktop. So if we don't have a webcam on our desktop computer, or if we don't have a good quality camera on the laptop, we can use the camera of the mobile phone, Android phone, as a webcam for the computer, and then we can use it for recording, for online teaching. We can take it remotely with us. So first of all, you have to go to Play Store and write IP webcam, and when you will search it, you will find this app. And at first you have to install it. In my case it's saying open because I already have installed it. You just have to install it first and then you have to open it. When you will open it, you will see that some different options are available there. You can play with these options when you are accustomed with the software, but in the beginning, just to start the work, you have to click start server. So when you will say start server, it will have something like that shown. Your mobile camera will on and you will be watching some address on the bottom of the screen. You just have to note that address on the screen and then you will go towards desktop computer. So at this moment, just note what is written in HTTP and some numbers afterwards. So that address will be copied from here, so you can write it from here. So write the IP address you got from the mobile here, type here. So this is from me, so I will be using it. The moment I enter it, I will see this new window. In this new window, in front of the window renderer, I have this browser option. I will click this browser option and yeah, here it is. My camera is connected with my desktop, the camera of the mobile. So I can use this for video recording, and the advantage it has is that there is no wire connected, so I can take it remotely anywhere because now it's an IP camera for me, and it's a very good way of recording videos, going here and there if you want to show something, and for online teaching. That's it. Thank you very much.